Imagine a world where language models using smart techniques like retrieval augmented generation, fine tuning, and prompt tuning change how we interact with technology. These models are great at understanding and creating human language, making them useful for many tasks. Picture automating customer support and writing content more accurately with fine tuning, which customizes models for specific needs. RAG improves answers by pulling in the latest information, ensuring they are accurate. Prompt tuning helps by crafting prompts that guide the model to give the right responses, whether for marketing or reports. Imagine breaking down language barriers with instant translations and supporting global connections. These models also made technology more accessible with text to speech and speech to text features. In education, they provide personalized help and practice, opening up new learning opportunities. This is the exciting future of language models, making communication easier, more efficient, and more inclusive.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Before we start, if you're really interested in advancing your career in AI and machine learning, check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning. This top-ranked course, created in partnership with Purdue University and IBM, offers in-depth training in essential skills like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and ChatGPT. With hands-on projects, live classes, and certifications from both Purdue and IBM, you will gain practical experience and stay updated on the latest trends. Apply now and take the next step in your career. In this video, I will let you know what are the differences among RAG, fine-tuning, and prompt tuning, and much more. So before we jump into that, let us have a basic understanding of the smart techniques. Now let us understand what is RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It is a technique that enhances the performance of language models by combining them with a retrieval system. RAG helps models generate accurate and relevant answers by using the external information, especially for tasks needing specific knowledge that the model's training alone might not fully cover. Now let us understand how RAG works. RAG works by first understanding your question with a language model and then searching for the best information from outside sources like articles or databases. It takes this information, combines it with what the model already knows, and then gives you a complete and accurate answer. This process helps the system provide more reliable and detailed responses, especially for questions that need specific or up-to-date information. Now let us understand about fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is a process used in machine learning, particularly with large language models, to adapt pre-trained model to perform a specific task more effectively. This technique is commonly used because it leverages the general knowledge the model has already gained from being trained on a large and diverse dataset, which can then be specialized to improve the performance on a specific task. Let's see how it works. Start with a pre-trained model. Use a model that has been trained on a large and diverse dataset. Prepare a specific dataset. Collect a smaller, task-specified dataset related to the domain you want to focus on. Fine-tuning process. Train the pre-trained model on the specific dataset, allowing it to adjust its parameters. The last step is evaluate the model. Test the fine-tuned model on a relevant dataset to access its performance. After we have understood both the topics, let us see what prompt tuning is. Prompt tuning is a technique used to optimize the way prompts are presented to a language model in order to steer its responses towards a desired outcome. Prompt tuning involves 4 key steps. The first one is define objectives. Identify the specific task or context for which you need improved performance from the model. The second is design the prompts. Create and craft prompts that guide the model towards generating the desired responses for your defined objectives. The third is evaluate the performance. Test the model's output using the design prompts to see if it meets your needs and make adjustments as necessary. The last step is refine and iterate. Adjust the prompts based on the evaluation results, iterating through this process to fine-tune the model's responses until the model's performance is optimal. Now let us see what are the major differences among them, differentiating them on the basis of the approach they follow. Retrieval augmented generation combines a language model with a retrieval system. Fine-tuning further trains a pre-trained language model on a specific dataset. Prompt tuning modifies the prompts or input text to give the model's responses. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose it's to explain how airplanes fly. RAG finds the latest sources and explains lift through wing shape and air pressure. Fine-tuning trains the model with expert knowledge, providing a detailed response. Prompt tuning specifies the question, guiding the model to give an easy-to-understand explanation like for a child. Now let us see how they differ by purpose. RAG improves accuracy and relevance by providing the up-to-date specific information beyond the model's initial training data. Fine-tuning customizes the model to perform better on specific tasks by learning from additional relevant examples. Prompt tuning directs the model to generate more relevant or accurate responses based on how prompts are crafted. Now differentiating them on what their use cases are. RAG answers questions with the latest information, such as providing the real-time updates or detailed information on a specific topic. Fine-tuning creates a chat box tailored for customer support in a particular industry or improving a model's performance in specialized areas like medical text. Prompt tuning customizes output style for marketing content or generating specific types of responses based on the prompt variations. We will now differentiate them based on data dependency. RAG relies on external databases or documents to retrieve information during runtime. The model's response can change based on updated or newly available data. Fine-tuning depends on a fixed, task-specified dataset during the training phase. The model's knowledge is static after training and does not update in real time. Prompt tuning operates on pre-trained models' existing knowledge database. It doesn't rely on external data, but rather on how the prompt is structured. RAG, fine-tuning, and prompt tuning are all methods used to improve language models, but they approach the task differently. While RAG adds external information, fine-tuning updates the model's knowledge, and prompt tuning defines how inputs are presented. All three aim to improve the relevance and accuracy of the model's responses. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Hope you have liked it. Do subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any doubt, do comment and one of our experts will definitely reach out to you. Stay tuned with Simplilearn and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.